Do you want to transform your body but don't have access to a gym or equipment? Don't worry. You can still get an amazing workout at home or anywhere using only your own body weight. No dumbbells, no machines, no resistance bands. Just you, your body, and some powerful moves that will get you in the best shape of your life. So, if you're looking for a way to shape up fast and efficiently, keep watching. These 6 simple exercises are all you need to kickstart your transformation. Let's dive in. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises to build strength in your chest, arms, and shoulders. They also engage your core, helping to stabilize your body and improve overall strength. How to do it? Start by getting into a high plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from head to toe, engaging your core. Lower your body down by bending your elbows until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Pro tips. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to avoid strain on your shoulders. If regular push-ups are too challenging, start by doing knee push-ups until you build strength. Benefits. Builds upper body strength. Tones the chest, arms, and shoulders. Engages the core for stability. Squats are an excellent lower body exercise that targets your thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. They help build strength, improve mobility, and boost metabolism. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointing outward. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and engage your core. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground, keeping your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Pro tips. Make sure your knees are aligned with your toes and avoid letting them cave inward. Keep your weight in your heels, not your toes. Benefits. Strengthens your legs and glutes. Improves balance and coordination. Boosts metabolism by engaging large muscle group. Planks are a fantastic way to build core strength and stability. They target not just your abs but also your back, shoulders, and glutes, helping you improve posture and balance. How to do it? Start by getting into a forearm plank position with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your body straight from head to heels, engaging your core. Hold the position, keeping your hips from sagging or rising too high. Pro tips. Focus on squeezing your core and glutes to maintain a straight line from head to toe. Start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds and increase the duration as you get stronger. Benefits. Builds core strength. Improves posture and stability. Engages multiple muscle groups at once. Lunges are another great exercise for targeting your legs and glutes. They also improve balance and coordination while engaging your core to stabilize your body. How to do it? Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with one leg, lowering your hips to drop your back knee toward the floor. Make sure your front knee stays aligned with your ankle, and your back knee nearly touches the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the standing position. Repeat on the other side. Pro tips. Focus on keeping your torso upright as you lunge. Ensure your front knee doesn't go beyond your toes. Benefits. Tones and strengthens the legs and glutes. Improves balance and stability. Increases coordination. Bicycle crunches are one of the best bodyweight exercises for targeting the entire abdominal region. They focus on the obliques, rectus abdominis, and lower abs, helping you achieve a strong, toned midsection. How to do it? Lie on your back with your hands placed behind your head. Bring your knees up toward your chest and lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor. Extend your left leg out while twisting your torso to bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Switch sides, extending your right leg and bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Keep alternating sides in a pedaling motion. Pro tips. Move slowly and with control to avoid straining your neck. Focus on using your abs to twist and bring your elbow toward your knee, rather than pulling on your head. Benefits. Strengthens the core and abs. Targets the obliques and lower abs. Improves overall core stability. Mountain climbers are a dynamic full-body exercise that gets your heart rate up while strengthening your core, arms, and legs. They also help improve cardiovascular fitness and endurance. How to do it? Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Bring your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee toward your chest as your right leg extends. Continue alternating legs as if you're running in place, keeping your core engaged. Pro tips: keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Go as fast as you can while maintaining good form. Benefits: full body workout. Improves cardiovascular fitness, strengthens the core, arms, and legs. There you have it. 6 effective exercises that require no equipment but can still deliver incredible results. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your overall fitness, these bodyweight exercises are a great place to start. You can do them at home, in the park, or even while traveling. The possibilities are endless. So, don't wait for the gym or expensive equipment. Start incorporating these exercises into your routine today. With consistency, dedication, and proper nutrition, you'll see real transformation in your body in no time. Remember, progress takes time, but every step forward counts. Keep pushing, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, stronger you. If you liked these exercises, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts that you can do anywhere, anytime. Stay fit and stay strong.